How to fix can't share on Facebook. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix can't share on Facebook, so make sure to watch this video till the end. If you want to fix can't share on Facebook, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all just make sure to launch your Facebook application here. Let's say you've been trying to share a specific post by just tapping the share option over here and then just trying to share that post. You have to understand one thing, and if you're having the issue, the reason Facebook does this is they temporarily block from sharing posts on Facebook, and that can happen if you've posted a lot in a short amount of time. That's one of the reasons. Or if you have shared posts that were marked as unwelcome, so even the things that don't follow the community guidelines, you just share those type of posts, then of course there are unwelcome posts. That could be another reason. And another reason is share something that goes against Facebook's community standards, of course. So Facebook will not be able to lift the block early. You can still view posts in your feed at any time, and the way you can get around this is most likely just waiting for a couple of days, because there's really nothing that you can do on your own end to fix that. You can just wait a couple of hours until you can just try to share post again, and that should definitely help you. But I hope I covered as much detail as possible as to why you're having the issue. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.